Okay, so for production value, let me act like I'm closing that door, come around this corner, and now add this. Am I happy with this purchase? Of course I'm happy. I'm definitely thrilled and excited that I finally made it happen. Again, before the pandemic, during the pandemic, a little bit after, I was questioning myself, why didn't I do it when I was able to prior? But no better time than now, right? All right, so as we swing open the ramp, you'll see that the shelves are exposed. So we have a couple aperture lights in here and Amarin lights. 4-foot tubes up here. Got a couple 300s, my 600D, F22s up there. We got the film cart back there, Pro Aim. Got the shelf that I built with the generator. Right now we are charging the MT Pro. It is at 100%. So the gormets that I installed. And that is gonna be the wall of fame right there. So as every production that I go on, I have the Polaroid camera over there. I will put the productions up there. But yes, this is the inside of the production van. Got it on some J-hooks right now, attached to some ratchet straps, so it's holding it down pretty well. And you can see over there as well, my film cart, we got the ratchet straps, and yeah, there it goes right here. The inside of my production van. When I'm done, close the ramp, and we are good to go. To have a fully customized truck is the dopest thing for me. There's not a thing from the outside to the inside, from the color to the customization that's just like oh, I'll deal with it. Every single thing from the front of the cargo van to the back of the cargo van was fully customized to my liking and exactly how I wanted it. For cinematic purposes, spin the drone around the truck. Once it gets in front of the truck, start your talking. And 3, 2, and I never really doubted myself. It was just more so when, how, and where would I take advantage of the deal and make sure I got the best deal for myself. So up front, I changed the screen to an Alpine, 11-inch Alpine at the moment. This is the biggest screen that's available from third-party accessories. And I put a wolfbox rear view dash, have front cameras and back cameras. I love that with this wolfbox, you can see dual. You can see again for the back, I adjusted to the height that I need, which mainly just want to see what's behind me. Love that it records the SD cards, gives you the time, gives you the direction that you're going. And overall, it's separate from my backup camera. So again, 2 different cameras. And this is how the cam looks back here, which it is installed as a third brake light right there. So love that. All right, act like you look for something in the cart, cross the van for production value, and stop right here. And as y'all see, we all logoed out. And again, the emblems is my favorite part of the logos. Of course, you always see them in my hoodies and my sweats, but now you see it on the trucks, the plates, but the emblems, please respect the emblem. That's my favorite part right there of the outside of the truck. The inside of the truck, my favorite part is the ramp. Now the ramp was super essential for me to install. This is a very, very, very key part to my production. Why? Because I often film on a film cart. Having a film cart on set has been very essential for me. I usually keep my cameras, lenses, batteries. Being a director, that's mainly my essentials. Depending what position you are on set, you'll have your different things for it. But being able to get it in and out of a truck now with ease, because installing the ramp, night and day difference, and that was my biggest thing that I needed for when I did install this. Having a custom emblem was exactly what I wanted. I was on a treadmill one day. I was in New York working out, and I was like, man, how can I get a custom emblem, but not with my full logo, Prestige Filmworks, just with the man on the wall? Did some research, and next thing you know, bam, it was done. One thing I am looking forward to with this truck, I'm looking forward to putting a lot of miles on it. I know we idolize on try to keep your vehicle with low mileage. Not this one. There's a reason I got it. There's a reason I'm trying to put miles on it. The more miles, the more work that I put in. If next year we look at this video and I got damn near the same miles, that means I ain't putting no work in. All right, there's 3 levels of a truck: high, mid, and a low roof. As you guys see here, I opted for the low roof, mainly for one reason. I wanted to really make sure that everywhere I went, from hotels, city parking, to even houses, that it was no issue that I was gonna deal with height clearance. So that's pretty much why I went with a low roof. thank you to all the companies that helped me put this together, and thankful for all my friends that I asked questions about that already have production bands, that I asked them a couple things and made it easier for me to know where to look and know where to go to get some things, and also knowing what to avoid. So yeah, definitely appreciative. Now I'm gonna slide back around here for production value and act like I'm doing something.